The Kolkata Law College rape accused has a long history of illegal behavior but has managed to remain free of consequences so far. Meanwhile, the case has also reached the Supreme Court with demands of a CBI investigation. Starting with the accused, students of the college say Monojit was called Mango by friends, wielded massive clout on campus to the extent that even teachers and office staff feared him. According to reports, multiple complaints of harassment and molestation had been registered against him in the past, but no action was taken. Monojit's father, who is a priest by profession, claims the boy was often involved in brawls and bad behavior. They had no relationship left. The parents and the son haven't lived in the same house for about 4 years now. He first started college in 2007, but due to his involvement in student politics, it took him more than a decade to complete his courses. In 2017, Monojit was allegedly involved in an incident of vandalism at the college's principal's office. The Trinamool then dissolved the college party unit, so Monojit officially did not hold a post anymore, but the law college, like several other colleges in Kolkata, has had no student body polls since 2017. So on the ground, Monojit was still a neta with a loyal bunch of cheerleaders. His addiction to his campus was so high that he settled for a clerical job on campus for Rs 500 per day despite holding a law degree. According to a report in the Times of India, Monojit oft used pickup line for women on campus was Tui Amai Biye Korbi, which roughly translates to Will you marry me? He used the same line when he first approached the 24-year-old survivor of the campus rape. College students have told the Times of India as well that Monojit would click pictures of female students, morph them, and then circulate them on WhatsApp groups. The Neta and his gang would then body shame them and gossip about them on campus. Monojit Mishra has multiple police complaints against him. He was out on bail in the following cases. And some of these include ripping off the dress of a woman student in South Calcutta Law College in July 2019, stealing music system, perfume, spectacles from a friend's home in December of 2019, molesting a woman in Swinhoe Lane in March of 2022, assaulting a man and getting arrested later in April of 2017. He is also accused of beating up a college guard and damaging college property in a May 2024 case. Police have said Monojit Mishra has denied the rape allegation and claims that it was consensual. Police are now planning to seek an extension for his custody and may submit the list of these crimes in court to argue their cases. According to Monojit's profile online, he has led the college unit of Trinamool College Chhatra Parishad, the college wing of the ruling party in West Bengal, since 2017. Trinamool has meanwhile claimed he has no links with the party and distanced themselves from him after the rape allegations and called for strictest punishment. Some students have said they were so scared of Monojit that they had stopped going to college. During the protests after RG Kar Medical College rape case in Kolkata, which rocked the nation, Monojit confronted and allegedly threatened to also beat up some of the protesters. Students have said that Monojit would openly say that nothing could happen to him as he had access to all the top political leaders. The survivor has alleged that Monojit and the other two accused, Pramit Mukherjee and Zaib Ahmed, called her to the college's union room around 7 p.m. on June 25. The victim has alleged that a security guard on campus also assisted the accused. She has said that once she reached the union room, Monojit asked her to prove her loyalty to the Trinamool student wing. She adds that the accused shot videos of her and threatened her.